Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatOn AI. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about ChatOn AI. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about ChatOn AI. Here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.